I think it shouldn't matter.
It does matter to me.
It does matter to you? How does it matter to you? Tell. And Sanjay is helping me in dishes. It's Diwali tomorrow. I'm gonna go to my chachu's place, Hema's place, to pick my outfit. It's ready, and the time is 8:30. And both are waiting on the bus. This is Hema, guys. And look at this. You made it?
Yeah.
Nice. Chachi, how are you?
Good.
Good?
Good.
And this is my outfit. It's ready. I'm gonna try this out. And I will show you the final look tomorrow when I'll wear this. And of course, it is Diwali tomorrow and mehndi is a must. For me at least. And I'm obsessed with this fresh red mehndi color. Happy Diwali, guys. And there is some sort of construction going on. And it was super noisy. I need to turn off those lights. The time is 1:05. My tea is ready. I'm going to have a cup of tea. The first thing that I had to do in the morning was cleaning. Changed the bed sheet with a fresh one. And after taking shower, I decided to do my nail color right away because this is something that I always forget, or I always do it at the last minute. But this time I did it on time. And so this is my outfit that I'm going to wear today. Basically, I got two things stitched from one fabric. One is tulip shalwar, another one is garara. Because I had extra fabric, so I decided to go with these two. Hema has done an amazing job. And festival without food is incomplete. And today I am making Sanjay's favorite dishes. This is my kheer, and I've soaked moong dal. The first dish that I'm making is moong dal dahi baras, and I'm trying this for the first time. After making a fine paste of the soaked dal, I added some basic masalas such as red chili powder, coriander powder, and a little bit of garam masala. I did not add any salt into it at this stage. However, I will do it later. We'll fry them until they turn golden brown. Side by side, I'm also making my kheer, and the recipe is already at my channel. The link is given in the description box below. You can check it out. And this is the raita for my dahi baras. I added salt and the paste of green chilies, fresh mint, and green coriander, and also garlic clove. So my dahi baras are ready almost. I made it liquidy because they are going to soak a lot of raita into it. So they are going to turn out super nice, I'm sure. This roasted cumin seed, and you can also add chaat masala on it. Okay, so my dahi baras are ready. My kheer is almost ready. I only need to add some dry fruits in it, and I'm going to make chana chaat. Okay guys, so I am almost done with my cooking. My kheer is ready. My dahi baras are ready because I didn't have enough black chanas. So I decided to mix both of them. I think it shouldn't matter.
It does matter to me.
It does matter to you? How does it matter to you? Tell. And Sanjay is helping me in dishes. Thank you, Sanjay. Now I'm chopping some vegetables for my chana chaat.
सारी रात जागी ना सोई वे तेरी मोहब्बत सताया वे सारी रात जागी ना सोई वे सारी रात जागी ना सोई वे कटे गए दिन बीती रात आया ना सजना चल वे.
Just the last thing to do, grinding dry fruits for garnishing. So this is just a quick step. That's it. My kheer is ready and it looks super yummy. My food is super ready. This is kheer, this is chana chaat, and these are dahi badas. This time we did not go to nowhere because it was Monday and everybody had work next day. However, we met with everyone a weekend before Diwali and it was sort of a Diwali celebration with them. I couldn't record much because I wanted to enjoy full time with them, and I hope you also enjoyed this beautiful festival with your friends and family. That's pretty much it for today's vlog, and once again I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Seriously, यही बढ़ती